Righto, g'day guys. Hey, you might wonder where I am. Well, I'm leaving my campsite today near Bramston Beach in Cairns. I'm going back to Cairns to get a brake upgrade fitted to this car. So Bendix have just brought out these ultimate upgrade kits. So with my car, I've spent a lot of time and money upgrading things. So I've got a GVM upgrade, a GCM upgrade, so I can handle bigger loads. I've got a canopy on the back, which weighs about 500 kilos. And I've also got bigger tyres. So all these things affect your braking performance. Now, I'm gonna work with the boys at Bendix to show you the new kit that they're gonna fit to this. So you got ultimate upgraded rotors, new pads to match, braided lines, heavy duty fluid, and we're going to go to Cairns Brake and Clutch, get it all fitted up, and I'll show you how it works. So make sure you take it to a reputable mechanic to get it all fitted up. But here we go, that's my rig, and I'll tell you what, in a few hours I reckon she'll pull up a whole lot better. All right, so we've rolled into Cairns Brake and Clutch. I'll take you through the kit quickly that Bendix send out. So I'll start with the box. It comes with a touring case, which is bloody handy. So once you've used all these pieces, you can still use this box and chuck it in your 4B or on the roof or whatever. Plenty of space in there. You get a set of braided lines for the front axle, set for the rear axle, and you get these ultimate performance rotors. They look pretty sexy, eh? Along with those, you get a set of matched brake pads to go with them, a litre of heavy duty brake fluid, some parts lubricant, and also some cleaning wipes to tidy up your rotors when you're finished. So I'll let the lads get into it, and after that, I'll show you what it's like to have a drive, eh? Righto, so the brakes have all been fitted up by the boys at Cairns Brake and Clutch. Took them about 2.5, 3 hours, and I tell you what, I've been driving it around for an hour or so now, and there's two things that are instantly noticeable. Is the feel of the brakes is much more direct. I think those braided lines give you a much more direct contact between you and your brakes and your pedal. It feels really good underfoot. And the second thing is the braking performance is bloody awesome. So the distance it's taking me to pull up when I really stop on the brakes is far out. It's a lot better than it was. So there's two massive changes straight away. I'll have to take it for a big run up and down a range to check out the brake fade and how much better it is on that sort of side of things. But I tell you, I'm pretty bloody happy with it. So righto, so with any luck, that gives you a bit of an idea about why I've done the brake upgrade, to help handle the extra load from all the accessories and the towing I do around the country. And it's a real solution to the problem of poor braking efficiency when you start loading these cars up. So thanks guys, thanks for watching, cheers.